do တွေကဘာလဲပြပြအောင် What are the verb
Do
to
that day. Do that
do
day.
does
Do that
did
day.
does did okay so what is verb to do so would you look at that it is used to perform a test and form question when we make the question we were used to does did like that right and then when we say the action or the thing we do so we will say with verb to do not do does did so you do answer me again.
Yeah.
What is verb to do?
It is used to perform a task. It is used to task.
Form
Question.
question. Okay, so next one. When do we use do, does, and did? Do, does, did ကိုဘယ်မှာသုံးရမလဲ
Do that day. We use them when we use
Negative
sentence
sentence and question
and question
sentence. Okay. Negative sentence and question sentence, no? So what are the verb to do? Say me again. Sorry.
What to do?
Do,
What to do that day?
do, does, did. So do, does, did. Which ones are verb to do present tense?
Do.
Do, does. Yeah, do and does. Do and does are verb to do present tense. Now verb to do present tense. Do is for plural subject. I know, we do, you do, they do ဆိုရင် do နဲ့မြင်မယ် So does is for singular subject เนาะ singular subject he, she, it တစ်ခုတစ်ကောင်တစ်ယောက်ဆိုရင်တကယ်က does နဲ့ပြောเนาะ So like that I will ask you again เนาะ do နဲ့ does က which one is used for plural subject?
A plural subject. We use
Do ဘယ်ကလာတစ်ကမလဲတစ်ကမလာသေးဘူး We use do okay so which one is used for singular subject
We use singular subject to
does
does.
Does okay so next one when we make the negative sentence what do we have to add I do does နောက်မှာဘာထည့် negative လောက်ပုံ
Present tense.
no
And apostrophe no.
and apostrophe ရဲ့အရှိကောင်းကဘာလေးလဲ
NOD.
NOD နော် do does ရဲ့နောက်မှာ not ထည့် okay အဲ့ဆိုရင် do does ရဲ့နောက်က verb က verb 1လား verb 2လား verb 1နော် okay so here what you look at that I ဆိုလို့ရှိရင်ကြတော့တကယ်လို့က do not နဲ့တွေ့ရနော် we ဆိုလို့ရှိရင်လည်း do not you ဆိုလို့ရှိရင်လည်း do not they ဆိုလည်း do not okay he she it အနေကိန်းနေဆိုရင် does not so look at the sentence and say me what's the short form or do notရဲ့ short form ကဘာလေးလဲ
Don't. D1 apostrophe don't.
D1 apostrophe don't so does not ရဲ့ short form လေးက
DOSEN.
DOESN apostrophe D doesn't okay အဲ့ဆိုရင် so I will you တရားခေတ်ကောင်း read for me those sentences တကယ် I will you တေစာကြောင်းလေးဖတ်ပြပါ
I do not like pizza. We don't run to school. You don't drink coffee. They don't eat cake.
အဲ့ဆိုရင်ချူချူက he it
He does not ride a bike. He doesn't wash her hands. It doesn't eat bones.
it doesn't eat bones okay အဲ့ဆိုရင် shall we go next one နော်ဒါဆိုရင်တချို့တို့က question sentence နော် question sentence လေးတွေဆိုလို့ရှိရင် which one will come first မေးခွန်းလုပ်ပြီဆိုလို့ရှိရင်ဘာလေးညင်လာခုနလိုမျိုး I will you they he she it အရှင်လား no not who yeah do ရဲ့ does နော်so do you like burger ကြိုက်လား do you like burger
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do they eat noodles? And then, does he read story? Does she listen to music? Does he sleep in the garden? Way like that. So these are for the question sentences, no? Do you, do they, like that. အဲ့ဆိုရင်တကယ်မေးခွန်းအပြင် how will you answer do you question ဆိုတကယ်တော့ဘယ်လိုအတူကောက် answer ဖြစ် Yes I do
Yes, I
no I don't do they ဆိုလို့ရှိရင်နော် Yes they do no they don't နော် does he question ဆိုရင်ရော Yes he does no he doesn't
Yeah, no, he
does
doesn't.
she question ဆိုရင်ရော
Yes, he does. No, she doesn't.
Does it question ရော Yes
Yes,
it does no it
yes, it
doesn't
doesn't.
ကဲအဲ့ဒါဆိုလို့ရှိရင် do does ပဲနဲ့ဆို what is the past tense of verb to do verb to do ရဲ့ past tense တွေကဘာလေးလဲ did နော် did အဲ့ဆိုလို့ရှိရင် teacher က he she is ဆိုလို့ရှိရင်ရောဘာနဲ့တွဲရအောင်
He, she, it. He, she is.
did ပဲ did did ပဲနော် I we you they he she it all the subject we have to use did နော် past tense ဆိုရင် did နဲ့ကျွေးပြောနော် right there is no singular plural ဘာမှရွေးနေစရာမလိုနော် so when we make the negative sentence အဲ့ did ရဲ့နောက်မှာဘာထည့်
Present.
no negative sentence လို့ကိုလေကြားတဲ့
Best.
not ထည့် not ထည့်
not
not not ထည့် okay အဲ့ဆို did not ရဲ့ short form က
Didn't.
didn't နော်
Didn't.
okay yes so here would you look at this time you have to read for me Chichu read for me I did not
do homework last night.
So Kikao is your turn.
We didn't go to school yesterday.
So Chuchu,
You didn't study your lesson this morning.
very good. And Kikao, they didn't.
They didn't play in the playground last week.
So Chuchu,
We didn't walk in the park this morning.
Kikao,
She didn't eat a pineapple yesterday.
pineapple. Only apples.
Apple.
So Chuchu,
It didn't eat meat last week.
it didn't eat meat last week. So I would like to ask you, would you look at all the sentences when we talk about the past tense? Past tense အကြောင်းပြောတော့တချို့က time expression လေးတွေဘာလေးတွေတွေ့တယ် at the end of the sentence.
Last night,
last night, yesterday, this morning, last week.
last week, last
ကဲအဲ့ဆိုလို့ရှိရင်တချို့တို့က last week ပြီးတော့ last night ပြီးတော့ yesterday, this morning. What else can we say?
last year.
Yeah, last year.
1990.
Last year. ပြီးတော့ရော
Last 1990.
but last 1990.
Hey.
Last Monday. Last Monday. Last month. အဲ့လိုပြောလို့ရတယ်လေ
Last Sunday.
Last Sunday like that နော် So these are the time expression. Now when we say the past tense. So thank you ค่ะ So this time you have to make the question. ကဲ question ဆိုတော့ဘာလေးရင်စလား Which one will come first? DID did နော် did ကလေးရင်စလာတယ် did ရဲ့နောက်ကဘာလိုက်လဲ subject လား verb လား
did now go.
subject နော် subject လေးတွေလိုက်ပါတယ်ခင်ဗျာနော်အဲ့ဆိုလို့ရှိရင် did you go to the cinema yesterday okay and the next question is did they swim last Sunday next one is did he play with toys yesterday did she buy snack last week did he sleep in the bed last night like that နော် So next one these are the sentence structure เนาะတချို့ကဒီလိုမျိုး negative sentence လုပ်မယ်ဆိုရင်အရင်ဆုံး subject လေးတွေရင်လာ subject ပြီးသွားပြီဆိုရင် do does did เนาะ do does did ပြီးရင်အငင်းဝါကြဆိုတော့ not လေးထည့်လိုက်ပြန်เนาะပြီးသွားပြီဆိုရင် do does did ရဲ့နောက်က verb 1လေးတွေ verb 1ရဲ့နောက်ကမှာ object ရဲ့နောက်ကမှာ time เนาะ place အဲ့လိုမျိုးလာတာ okay got it so next one เนาะမေးခွန်းလုံးမယ်ဆိုရင် do does did will be first ပြီးရင် subject I will you they he she did ပြီးရင် verb 1 ပြီးသွားရင် object object ပြီးသွားပြီဆိုရင် place time ဒီလိုလေးတွေတော့နော် so shall we go and do that exercise နော် do test လေးကို fill in the blank ပြောပြပါ my mother planned not buying the bag yesterday တဲ့မနေ့ကဆိုတော့ do not လား does not လား did not
Did not.
did not so number 2လေးကရော blank you like to read books
Did you like to read books?
did you ဟုတ်ပါဘူး
Does you?
do you like to read books like that okay so number 3 last Saturday
Did Sally come to the party last Sunday?
last Sunday did
Yes,
say နော် did ဘယ်လား last Sunday ပါဆို test လုပ်နေသေးတယ်ဟိုကတယောက်ကပြောပြီးသွားရောသူက test လုပ်
Joe
and Dan John and Tom
do not. You do.
and do not like to sing ရတယ် don't လည်းပြောကြနော် so number 5ကချူချူတစ်ချက်ပြောပြပါ Mei-Ching yesterday
Machine did not come yesterday.
good job correct so number 6 kick on
Does he know that you are here?
yeah does he know that you are here correct good job so number 7 choo
Did you finish the pizza last night?
good job so number 8 kick on
John and I do our morning exercise together.
Okay, so number 9, Choo.
Yes. Did best go to Sentosa?
Does not UVS that. Does this bus go to Sentosa? Like that. Okay, got it. So shall we try to create the sentences? No? ခုနကဥစားလေးကျေလို့ပြန်သွားကြည့်နော်အဲ့ဒါလေးကအချိန်ရသေးတယ်ပြောကြည့်မယ်နော် Wait for me.
Yes. Yeah.
So shall we try to make the negative sentence နော် I လေးနဲ့စာကြောင်းပြောကြည့်မယ်ကြိုက်တာပြောနော် I do not I don't ကြိုက်တယ်ပြောနော် I don't need to go to school now.
Me too.
Me too. So it's your turn.
I don't like to wear very short skirt.
Oh, very short skirt. Okay, kick on.
I don't like rainy season.
Oh, you don't like rainy season. Okay, we don't have you, no? We don't go outside if it's raining.
We don't play outside when it was cold.
When it is cold. When it is cold, we don't go outside. Okay, we don't play outside. So kick on. We don't.
We don't eat so spicy noodle.
Oh. That's mean you don't, no? You don't eat hot meat. Hold on, you don't eat hot meat.
Hot meat လို့ပြောပါတယ်။နည်းနည်းလည်းမ hot meat တွေစားတယ်
Okay.
You don't watch our account.
Why you?
You ကောင်းတယ်ဝင်မကြည့်ဘူးလို့ပြောတာပါ
Okay, kick on.
You don't eat. You don't like eat.
You don't like to eat.
You don't like to
They
eat
never
beef.
know. They don't drink. They don't drink my coffee.
You don't like English.
Okay.
they don't play football because it is raining.
So next one, he နဲ့ပြောနော် He doesn't listen to his parents.
He doesn't
He doesn't do
he doesn't like ride a bike.
He doesn't like to ride, no? To ride လို့ပြောပြီ to ride
Yeah.
bike. Okay. အဲ့ဆိုရင် she doesn't နဲ့ပြောနော် She doesn't play at night.
She doesn't do exercise when it is rain.
When it rains.
She don't
She doesn't.
like rain.
doesn't.
She doesn't like rain.
Okay. It doesn't want to sleep outside.
It doesn't like to take a bath.
Okay.
It doesn't like to eat. Teacher, you're blue girl.
Bones.ဒီမှာလေး bone ပါ
Bones. Oh my.
When he has bones. Okay. Hey, what happened? ဘာဖြစ်သွားတာလဲချူချူရေကဲအဲ့ဆိုလို့ရှိရင်ဒီချက်တို့က do you do they တွေနဲ့မပြောတော့ဒီချက်က do you question ပဲလုပ်တော့နော်အဲ့ဆိုဒီချက်ကမေးမယ်Do you like to play in the playground ခေကောင်
Yes.
ချူချူကရော Do you like to sleep if it rains
Yes, I do.
Me too I do too
Hi.
Okay
Hi.
So you can ask click on Chichu who wants to ask the question do you question yeah Chichu ask me also no I also want to answer
Do you like to sleep at night?
Yes of course I want to sleep for a long time for 10 hours 12 hours like that
We sleep we always sleep we usually sleep at 10 o'clock.
You is that you me for me so 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock at night
I usually sleep at 10 o'clock or 9:13 o'clock.
Okay
That is what it is called.
Yeah. So would you ask to kick on
Do you like to eat? Do you like to sleep at afternoon? At the afternoon.
in the afternoon do you like to sleep in the afternoon
No, I don't like.
No, I don't like. So what do you like to do? Do you like to play outside like that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So would you ask both of us? ခေတ်ကောင်းကတစ်ချက်လို့ပြန်မေး Do you
Do you like to play in the rain?
in the rain? Yeah.
No, I don't. Do you sleep? Do you sleep in the morning?
Huh? Okay. Yeah, puppy. Good job. I want to sleep in the morning also. I don't want to wake up early.